Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you something really exciting, how you can create a complete website and a mobile app automatically using Stitch AI. Yes, you heard that right. With just a few simple prompts, Stitch AI can generate an entire functional design for your web or mobile project. We'll start by creating an e-commerce website, and then we'll move on to building a music app, both generated in minutes, powered by AI. So let's get started. First, we'll go to ChatGPT to get a well-structured prompt for our e-commerce website. I'll simply type something like, "Give me a detailed prompt that I can use in Stitch AI to create an e-commerce website design." And within seconds, ChatGPT gives us a ready-to-use prompt, complete with layout ideas, product sections, navigation details, and even suggested color palettes. This makes it super easy for us to pass it directly to Stitch AI without worrying about writing everything manually. Now that we have our prompt, let's move over to Stitch AI. Here in Stitch AI, I'll paste the prompt we just got from ChatGPT. From the options available, I'll select Web, since we're creating a website. Once that's done, I'll click on the arrow button, and Stitch AI immediately starts generating the entire website for us. You can see the generation process happening. It takes a few seconds as the AI puts everything together: layout, sections, images, and text. And here we go. Our e-commerce website is ready. Let's take a look at it. We have a clean homepage, product listings, navigation bar, and even a beautiful footer section, all designed automatically. The overall look is modern and responsive, which is perfect for showcasing any type of online store. Now that our website has been generated, Stitch AI gives us a lot of customization options to make it truly our own. On the right side, we can adjust the corner styles, change the color palette, or update the fonts to match our brand identity. For example, I'll tweak the color palette to something warmer and change the font to a more elegant typeface. Once I'm happy with the adjustments, I'll click Apply. And in just a few seconds, all the changes are reflected across the entire design. Pretty cool, right? And if you click on the three dots menu, you'll see even more advanced options, like downloading the web page, viewing the generated code, and a few others. Let's click on View Code. And there it is, the complete HTML, CSS, and JavaScript structure for our site. You can easily copy this code and use it in your own development environment or hosting platform. For designers, there's another great feature. If you're in standard mode, you can send the whole design directly to Figma using the integration option. That way, you can continue refining or collaborating with your design team right inside Figma. Now, let's try something different. Let's build a music app using the same process. First, we'll again go back to ChatGPT and ask it for a detailed prompt to create a music app design using Stitch AI. ChatGPT generates a descriptive prompt. It includes screens for playlists, song categories, playback controls, and even user profiles. Once we have the prompt ready, let's copy it and head over to Stitch AI again. This time, I'll select App from the options, paste the prompt, and click the arrow button. Just like before, Stitch AI starts generating the app design. It takes a little time, but in less than a minute, our music app layout is ready. Let's preview it. We've got a beautiful interface with album art sections, music controls, and smooth transitions between screens. It's impressive how quickly AI can turn a simple text prompt into a full-fledged app design. And that's it. In just a few steps, we've created both a complete e-commerce website and a music app, all generated automatically using Stitch AI and ChatGPT. This combination of AI tools makes web and app design faster, smarter, and more accessible, even if you don't have any coding or design experience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of project you'd like to see next. Maybe a blog site, a portfolio app, or something completely different. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.